Oh, you see, giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh, oh, wow. One more giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh, you see, one more giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh, a lot of giant millipede. Oh, oh my god. Wow. My god, one more. Oh, oh, so big. Oh, one more. Wow. Oh, giant millipede. Hello guys. Yeah, welcome to my channel. Yes, today I will discover the insects around my home. Oh my god, amazing place. So let's discover. Oh, this place so attractive. Oh my god. Oh, amazing. Oh my god. Oh, very nice place. Oh my god. Oh, a lot of ancient snail. Oh, oh, you see? Oh my god, giant millipede. Oh, oh my god. Oh, giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh, oh, one more. Wow. Oh, giant millipede. Giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh, so big millipede. Oh my god, a lot of millipede around my home. Wow. Oh, one more. Oh my god. Ancient snail. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, amazing place. Looks so attractive place for this millipede. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. One more giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh, it's a lot of. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, so big millipede. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Oh my god. Ooh, a lot of red millipede. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh wow. Red millipede. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, red millipede. Oh my god. Amazing place. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh, you see, giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh, millipede is under the banana tree. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh, giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh, a lot of. Oh. You see? Oh my god. Oh, one more giant millipede. Oh my goodness. Oh, a lot of. Oh, you see? Look at here. Oh my god, what is it? Oh, oh my god, amazing. Oh, I love it. Oh, a lot of giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh, amazing. Oh, one more. Red millipede. Oh my god, red millipede. Oh, I love catching. Oh my god, amazing place. Wow. Oh my god, wow. Oh, look at this place. Oh my god. Oh, you see one more giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, wow, so big millipede. Oh, oh my god. Oh, another spot millipede. Oh my god. Oh, spot millipede. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, it's a lot of giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh my god, wow. Oh, let's go read more and more giant millipede. Wow. I love catching all these insects. Oh my god, oh, I love catching them. Oh, oh my god. Oh, it's a lot of giant millipede. Oh, oh my god, wow. Oh, oh my god, one more. Oh, oh. So big millipede. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god, wow, a lot of millipede. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my goodness. Love catching all these insects. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, another red millipede. Oh my god. Oh, a lot of. Oh my god, wow. A lot of millipede around my home, wow. Oh my god. Oh, another red millipede. See? Oh my god. Oh, my god. Oh, so big millipede and red millipede. Oh my god. I love catching all these insects. Oh my god, wow. Amazing. Oh my god. Wow. Amazing place. Oh, I catch a lot of insects today. Oh my god, giant millipede, ancient snail, and also this one, I don't know its name, but I like it. Oh my god, wow.